Okay, so I'm going to show you how we create a new custom fee schedule for products that you sell at your clinic. So toothbrushes, tooth mousse, toothpaste, and so on. So we're going to go to management, fee schedules, and we're going to create a new fee schedule here. So over on the right-hand side, new fee schedule. We can give the fee schedule a name. So I would call it something like products. And we're going to select the custom codes fee schedule here. So this is going to make the codes completely customizable, unlike the ADA ones that have their set codes. So custom and save. Now the last one will appear on the last line here. To edit it, we're going to double click on it. So from here, we can change the description and we can also change the custom code. So description, I would put in, I'll just put in toothpaste as an example. The second one, I'll double click here and we might do floss. And I'm just pressing tab to save that. And we need to enter in a fee. So on the very last column on the right-hand side, this is how much we charge our patients for the product. So this one, let's just put in $7 and I'm pressing tab after I put in the number. And maybe $3 for floss. Any changes that I make, I must press save down here on the bottom right. So once we've put some products in the fee schedule, I'll show you how we can bill them on an appointment. So as an example, I'll just make an appointment here. Okay, so just like other item numbers, we're going to add them into this top area of the appointment. So we can press the plus, and this will take us to our treatment plan. If it's not in the treatment plan, just press the plus again. From here, we need to change the fee schedule from standard and change it to the fee schedule that you've just created. So in our case, it was called products. And now we get a list of all of our products that I entered in with the prices there. So I can just insert those like I would with a normal item number. And there's the product.